You two.
Top dog.
What are we doing? Top dog. Xena.
I thought we were doing this the whole time.
We are.
Introduce yourself, Xena. Tell us who you are.
Hi.
What you're doing.
I'm Xena of Xena's Pack. This is Ventura, the very handsome boy on marks in my shirt. But I actually have 3 dogs, so technically I think we're interviewing Piper, my brand new working dog, today.
Ooh.
This is her big reveal because Instagram has not seen her yet.
Oh,
Exciting.
Waiting for the show to come out. So her name is Piper. She's a 2-year-old yellow lab, although I'm going to have her DNA tested. I am quite sure she has some golden in her. You'll see when she comes out, you'll be like, that's a weirdly long-haired lab. Lab. So, but yeah, this is Ventura. And then, as you guys know, I also have Monica, who's my little, she's, to put it in human terms, she's like a little varsity cheerleader, super dramatic. If you've ever seen the movie, what is it, with Reese Witherspoon? Like any of the Bring It On, she's
Legally Blonde.
Every cheerleader in that movie. So we live in Orlando, Florida. I'm the head trainer for off-leash canine training in Ocala, Florida. And now I will be starting to do some handler work. And yeah, I'm just not your average dog lady. So
No, you are
Nice.
not. You're not. We've had average dog ladies on before.
Have we?
You're not an average dog lady. Oh.
I like how he says it with such a straight face like that.
I think it's the mustache.
He's very
I think it
serious.
just enables him.
We
to,
can't
like,
actually
do all
see who's
kinds of
smiling.
stuff. It's very super troopers of you.
Thank you.
It is.
Thank you.
It is very cool. So, your new dog, what was her name? Sorry, Piper.
Yeah,
Did you
Piper.
say? And what's she going to be doing?
She is doing explosive detection. So we just graduated from a K9. Basically, there's been like a non-stop effort of trying to become a handler since I got out of the Marine Corps. And then every time like something kind of lines up, just because of the nature of contractor work, contracts fall through. So the first company I was with, they lost the contract before I got to certify with the dog. So it's just been like a non-stop gambit of just like, no. So I actually ended up using my GI Bill to pay for handler school, and out of the school you also get a K9. I chose a lab because I want to be able to work any kind of contract I can find. Unfortunately, apparently pointy-eared dogs are viewed as scary.
What? Oh my gosh! Look at that.
Yeah, so
Not scary.
Look at her.
how mad is she about Ventura?
Goodness. What? Well, that's Ventura's fault. Ventura
It's
is.
not Ventura's fault. He's better looking than Mattis, and Mattis is jealous.
Well, I don't know.
Hey.
Let the YouTube
Ayla.
decide.
Come.
Oh, look at that sweet face.
Oh, what's the matter?
What about this? Look, lads. How
Oh.
Nice. Come here. Love test.
And
Love
dash
test.
hounds.
Look.
What do you think of dash hounds?
Oh, see how sweet.
Oh,
I have not yet had to train
Hold.
a dash hound. I have
Wait,
to
hold-
train the
hold on just a second, watch this.
labs.
Hold.
Watch this.
Hold. Ah. Oh, I'm
That's
coming
a
back.
nice
Hold.
roof.
Look. He's holding his baby.
Oh,
He's
I
holding
don't
his
know.
baby.
I don't
Oh, look at that. He's so sweet. Good boy.
I don't know if we can show like a German Shepherd holding a baby.
Why not? Why not?
Is it in a nice way? Or?
He's so sweet. He was loving his baby.
Oh, look, he's born a
Nice.
baby. I've conditioned him to carry babies around.
That's right. By the arm.
honestly, mothers
Gently.
everywhere would be paying for baby holding dogs.
Yep, that's right.
Yes, new market.
I do
It's a
that.
new market for me.
You are
All right,
not the
Xena.
average dog lady.
She's not. She
Do you
is
know,
not
I've
average.
taught this little guy, I can actually go and shoot at him and he'll roll over, like play dead.
It doesn't look like
Mattis
he's
does
rolling
that.
over.
Oh, well, I didn't do it with him and he's on a step at the moment. I'm not gonna.
That
He'll roll-
should get in the way. Listen,
He'll
he
roll-
should be able able to dive from anywhere.
That's true.
With height like that.
That's good conditioning.
Those bad boys. Hey, there you go.
Are you sure he's laying down when you do it? Like, because
He's so short.
Yeah, how do you know? Do you get down on the ground and like, check?
measure.
Yeah, measure. Well, he's on his back
All right.
and his little tiny legs are in the air.
I think it's time to get serious.
I think so. Oh, the glasses are off.
Don't judge me, Xena. I'm not an average dog lady either. Who do you want in the YouTube? Who do you want to challenge? Do you want Ayla or do you want Mattis?
You don't actually get a choice, but who would you prefer?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought it was between the three of us.
No, we roll.
No.
We. Does this mean you've never watched the Top Dog Show?
No, she hasn't.
Yes, because I've only ever listened to it. Or no, Craig. Craig, Goose,
Yes.
Chris Diglin.
Yes.
That's the only one I ever actually watched, and
I
I never
wonder
even
why.
saw the dog off part of it. Wait, so you're saying I just put out an aid for no reason?
No, you're gonna go.
No,
It's gonna be
you go.
versus either Ayla or Mattis.
Oh, okay. Well, I choose heads.
At least you didn't come on. And say, "Oh, I love the show," because then we'd know that you'd be a filthy liar
Oh, yeah, I don't know.
because you don't know anything about the show. I watched your show, the Poo Poo show that you have.
Oh,
It's called that.
Live? Yeah,
Yes.
that's because
You can't-
you've been on the show like 3 times. Listen, she already said she's gonna bleep out the word, so it's fine.
Okay.
I don't know if I can bleep him on this one though.
Oh, so you just ruined our YouTube channel.
You've ruined it. You've ruined it. No.
Well, okay, Shit Show Live is a proper title of a show. Okay? And
I'm
apparently
kidding, it's not
children
live.
watch it, and I'm like, oh, you're 12.
Yeah.
By the way, sweetheart, you should not be watching this. To
Yeah.
our next guest.
Yeah.
Imagine Cardi B mixed with Dr. Phil.
But Cardi B used to be she was the alphabet train on the Kids Network on Disney.
Who?
Cardi B. She used to be jump on the alphabet train, A, B, C, D, and then she did this alphabet rap that I can't do. Because she was Cardi B, but that was back in the day. And now she's Cardi B, and she doesn't do alphabet train for children.
I'm just gonna leave that one there.
Yep.
I don't even know who she is, but anyway, let's roll with it.
Oh,
Whoa.
it's Australia. They do things differently.
What?
It's offensive to her,
I'm sorry.
apparently.
No.
I'll Google it once we're done.
Oh, no. You will not Google. I will send you. Anyway, she's a real character. She's a little rough around the edges.
She used to be, come on, kids, jump on the alphabet train.
Yeah, she also used to be a stripper, so.
What? I didn't know that.
Wow.
That part is not connected to me.
I was going to say, so...
No. More so
just knew the
talking about
alphabet train.
personality with the mix of Dr. Phil. I feel like people tell me that I remind them of Amy Schumer a lot, but a thinner version, less pregnant version.
Isn't she kind of angry?
Yeah.
You don't strike me as angry. Is she angry or no?
I don't strike you as an angry person.
No, you're my angel. My special daughter.
You're right, Dad.
You're not angry. You have a cute little otter on your arm.
It's not really that cute. I mean, it's savagely murking this fish.
It's a sweet little otter that likes to play.
It's a sweet
And
little...
that's what you are. You're a sweet little
I don't know
otter.
if you can see the blood dripping down its mouth.
Sweet little otter
Yeah, you're not angry.
that likes to frolic and swim on your back. Open shells. Be cute. Yeah. That's what you are.
For anybody that doesn't know, that's how otters open shells. They put a rock on their chest and they smack it.
I think everyone knows that because everyone loves to watch videos of otters, and that's what you are.
Don't they just hold hands and swim along with their other otter?
Do they? Aww.
Yeah.
They're sweet.
See, they're sweet and loving and...
Yep.
If you need to see my otter collection, let me know. It's recently grown.
I didn't know you had an otter collection.
I have otter space pants. I have like 3 stuffed otters.
Oh.
I think about my toilet. I have like 3 pairs of otter socks that I've got. These have all been gifts. This is nothing I bought myself, but they've all been gifts. And I don't know what it is, but literally every time I go see otters at a zoo or I receive a present with otters, I literally cry. There are actual tears. I don't know if you saw my post on Christmas. I was a mess on Christmas anyway. And then a client had gotten me, I kind of peeked. I had thought it was like a stuffed animal version of their dog because I had just trained their dog. And then I opened it and it was an otter. Like, oh, it was disgusting. I was like, I also had
not
no
happy
idea.
tears?
That's literally what it was like.
But is that happy tears or was it?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
I also, I might cry right now. I don't know what it is. I just think about otters and I want to cry. They're so cute.
Yeah, they are.
Why? What is it with otters? How has this come about?
They're just so cute.
They are.
I have otter pajamas.
I have otter space pants.
Oh,
I don't have otter anything. I feel so left out.
well, that's just because you're just the other guy.
What?
Another guy? I don't know. That doesn't make any sense.
She was trying to make an otter pun. It didn't work.
An otter pun. It didn't work.
Emma's good at dad jokes.
It's because it's my accent.
That's right.
Back to this, Xena.
Yes.
Heads or tails?
No, it's not heads or tails. Have a look. Can you see that?
Yeah.
That's Ayla.
And can you see that?
That's Mattis.
Yeah, I still choose heads. So.
You don't get to choose. It just lands on one. Do you have a preference on who you would rather go against?
No.
Okay.
No, Mattis, because you were shit talking earlier. Wait, no, it has to be the labs.
I was not. I was not.
Lab
v lab.
An experienced lab versus a non-experienced lab.
Look at the excuses flying.
Which is which? Hang on.
All right, let's flip it.
I'll flip this over.
Flip the switch.
On the
dog. Flip it
on the dog. That'd be
dog.
awesome. If you can land on Ayla.
If I can land on Ayla. Ready?
Don't hit Ayla with the coin. You hit Ayla.
It's Mattis. She's covering it. She's not happy. She's covering it.
Yes.
Oh, Mattis
Here we go.
is up. Oh. Sorry,
all right. Are you ready for the dog off?
Emma, did you fall down?
Nope.
There you go. There you are.
I was on a step there. I jumped at the same time as you said that, and I'm like, oh God, please don't fall. Please don't fall.
Oh, my dog died. I might need to go to the vet.
All right. Well, are you ready? Is Piper? Is that the dog?
I have to do a little dog shuffling in the house, but yeah.
Okay. Shuffle the dogs.
All right.
Because it's go time.
Okay,
you know how you said about her having a fluffy butt? Look at this. Oh, she's not going to let me show you. look at this. Hey, look here.
Is
it like that?
Oh, no. Piper's is even fluffier.
Oh,
cute.
Now we're having a fluffy butt competition.
Hey,
let me submit this butt. Look at this. Look at that beautiful fluff.
You really just don't know how to manipulate the camera there, Pops.
Oh.
You couldn't even see
I'm
it.
old. It was beautiful and fluffy. If you could.
You know what he says to me is, we need to get this looking a little bit smoother, and I'm like, well, you need to turn a light on.
Well, I got lights on, and look, it's still light outside.
Oh wow!
If we hurry.
That's exciting.
Yeah. Oh, Xena's frozen. But what a beautiful face she's frozen on. Fluffy.
So if you, that is a nice fluffy butt. There you go.
Look at that.
So, just so you know, if I go outside, you will lose connection again.
Well, how are we supposed to do the dog off?
Yeah.
Phone here.
Yeah.
While we go search over there.
Okay.
Would that work?
Will we be able to see you?
Yeah, you'll be able to see me. I just won't be able to hear you, or I won't be able to see you.
You
Okay.
don't have to see us as long as
We'll
we can
make
see
it work.
You and the doggo working. Yeah. We don't really want to. We don't actually want to talk to you. Just want to see your dog.
Well, you listen. Beggars can't be choosers. Okay.
That's awesome. Is
Alright.
it pointed at what it needs to be? Where's the aid? Where's it at?
I don't know if you'll be able to. Hold on, I gotta move it. It's over in the bushes.
You gotta get.
Left.
Kick it.
There you go. Oh, right, right there. Oh, back. Oh my gosh.
All we can see is the angry otter.
It's cute.
My arm?
Yeah, we got your left arm in it.
All I see is like my face. Oh, this is awful. Oh my gosh. Who do you see in my screen?
The truck. We see the truck.
Okay.
Have you got your
bushes.
screen any bigger?
Bushes next to the truck. Yeah, like across the street.
Yeah, like this. 'Cause that's where we're gonna be searching.
All the way. Okay.
Do you search on lead or off lead?
I'm gonna put her on a leash, but we work off leash, and she's not good with other dogs yet. I just need to have an emergency break in case.
Yep. Yep.
Now this sounds a lot like Duke. Like she's gonna walk the dog straight to the source. And
there it is.
No.
Especially with the camera being this far away.
Yes.
No. She'll be dropped leash. It's just if somebody's walking their dog, I have to grab her. So.
Okay. All right.
She's a sensible dog
We
owner.
can't even.
Are we actually going to be able to see any of this?
Oh my gosh.
Sound check. Can you guys?
I can hear you.
I can hear you great. Are you like wearing AirPods?
No, I won't be able to hear you over there. So. All right, let me grab the dog.
Not your average dog, lady.
Nope.
It's wonderful.
Where have you hidden your odor?
It's out on the trampoline in the backyard.
Somewhere he'd never think to look.
The only structure in the yard. It's not though. We hide like I'm hidden it in trees, all kinds of. It's way back. It's kind of funny. The trampoline used to be on the right side of my yard, but we had a storm, and it moved it to the back of the yard, like further away. So we left it there because we thought it was a great place.
Thank you, Mother Nature.
Yes, correct. Did she already start? Like, is she looking for the scent right now?
I think he's already done and just put the dog away.
Mattis so wants to go. Like, he's so excited about this.
Can you bring Piper over to introduce her?
No, she's like dressing the dog right now. Mattis is gonna do it necky. Necky. He's got no clothes on.
Oh.
Yep.
Rudy.
Yep. Necky.
Look at how upset Ayla is right now.
She should be used to it because when you flip the coin, it always lands on Mattis.
Oh, that is a moment, isn't it?
We're like in season 2, and the same thing is happening.
Maybe you need to start flipping the coin.
Yeah, maybe. What's up, buddy?
What's up? Movie!
Oh, there.
Oh!
Look at Piper!
So pretty!
So cute. So cute.
Oh, gorgeous.
And so happy.
Aww. Awesome.
You guys have to speak up a little bit for me. It's a little hard to hear you.
Piper is really cute.
She is. Look at her butt. It's so
She's got a fluffy butt. So cute.
It is fluffy. It's lovely. All right.
Oh, cute. How old is she?
No. She's 2. She just turned 2.
Oh, cute.
All right. Mattis is going nuts, so we need to start.
All right.
Look at that. Look at the sheer
How are you going to hear the
determination in his
countdown?
face.
Are you going to start
All right,
from there?
I don't know.
All right, so we're gonna go do it, and then
No, that's not how it works. Xena,
What? There's that. I can see her now. All right. Are we ready to start this?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Just
I'll do a
when she
countdown.
starts, I'll go. Hold on.
I'll do a countdown of 3, 2, 1 and say find it, and then you and Mattis go at the same time.
All right.
You say find. When I say 3, 2, 1, find it. You then say find it, or whatever you're.
All right. Well, let's just do it. Before she knocks it over.
Let's do it.
All right.
Quick.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, find it.
Find it. Find it. Oh, he's on a beeline.
Oh, they're off. Look at that. Even
Oh,
stronger.
alert! Oh my gosh!
Oh no way!
Oh my gosh!
Already! Oh, look at him! Textbook Mattis. Look at him go. Piper's doing awesome.
Piper is rocking it, I think.
Yeah, I
She's
think
so
she
far
is.
away.
That little dot moving up and down.
Oh, that's a good boy! Yeah!
She's searching.
Oh, look at that dude.
I can just see the fluffy butt moving.
Yeah. I'm glad this one wasn't close.
Oh, I think that's it.
Oh, yay, Piper!
Yes!
Let's tell her she won. Let's tell her she won.
Woohoo, Piper! Woohoo!
What? Yeah,
Sure.
totally.
Sure, you totally won.
Yep, way to go.
Not yet.
What's that? Mine was over here on the
I
trampoline.
said, where was yours?
Over here. Trampoline.
Okay. Super small yard. At least we went out to the real world.
That's right.
That's awesome.
Way to go, Piper. I
Good
think.
job, buddy.
Okay, guys.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna go get her. I'm gonna get her to go hit on that aid one more time. And
Do
then
it.
put her
Okay.
up, and then I'll see you guys in a little bit. In a minute.
Okay. Can we watch
Well-
you?
Oh, my Lanta. Oh, that's great.
Is she doing it again?
I'm not sure.
Oh, look at it.
Yeah, there we go.
Boom.
Look at that. Good
Got it.
alert. I
Straight
think.
back to it. I think so too. Oh yeah, there's a scream. I heard a scream. Hopefully that was a good scream. Hopefully she found the odor and not a snake or something.
Yeah.
Do you have
All
snakes
right.
there?
Snakes, yes, I've heard of them. We have snakes. We have a lot. Georgia has snakes. Florida has more snakes. Florida and then Louisiana, where I grew up, lots of snakes, but not as deadly as some of the wonderful ones that you have.
Oh, horrible things.
Bushmasters, is that correct? What do you have? What are they called there? What are you laughing at? That's what the snake's called, a bushmaster. Stop it, Emma. It's a snake.
I have never.
It's a bushmaster.
You sure somebody hasn't been having you on there? A snake.
No, we have rifles.
A snake. It's a bushmaster.
We have rifles called bushmasters. Like it's a brand of AR-15. Bushmaster.
Yeah, but it's not a snake. That's awesome. She did good.
I didn't win.
No.
Is it because you hide it in the exact same spot every time?
Every time. Every time.
Yeah.
So
it's kind of.
find it just means go to the trampoline. Like, look. Look, there he is. Just kidding. He just knows where it is now. Oh, no,
That's not even fair.
yes.
But she did good. She did awesome, and she had. I think she had to go a little bit further. So
What's
Well, yes. Good boy.
I think Piper had to go further too.
Yeah.
She definitely did.
Yeah.
I've been in that backyard. That
And
twice the
she had to
distance.
look both ways to see if she didn't get hit by a car.
That's true. That's it.
And
She had added skills.
she did find it, but I didn't pay her till she went to the store. So
Good.
That's a great trainer right there. Good job.
Right.
Way to go. That's
Perfect.
not your average dog lady.
Mm-mm.
You know,
Nope.
an average dog lady would have been like, you just pay them when they get close.
no,
But not you.
You know, actually, that is like And that legitimately is like one of the reasons I feel like I am different than other trainers, is because like I expect a very strict standard. Like I expect something to be exactly this way, and it's not right until it's exactly this way. And I feel like a lot of trainers, or like, they like to give people trophies a little too early. It's like, no. You didn't win it yet. Like, you got to go all the way. So
yeah, I just basically told Mattis to go sit. He wasn't anywhere close to the A, but I gave him a trophy, and that's how I beat you. So there you go.
I don't think Mark even put anything out.
You're on America's Top Dog, so
yes, you are. We'll talk about that on the podcast, I'm sure.
And
go ahead.
And he's the reason you're on the Top Dog show.
See?
Oh!
It pays back.
Kind of not the same.
No, completely the same.
It's not the same.
Why?
But it was
Why
fun.
not? Why is it not the same? You were in a dog competition with me.
And you cheated, so.
Did I?
You know what? You have gray hair, and the Bible says that gray hair is a proof of wisdom. So you've got all this like Asian wisdom on me. So,
thank you.
You know, I'm just.
At least you admit it now.
I'm a shower shoe, so that's all
Yep,
right.
that's correct. Growing up, you never told me that I was wise, so that means a lot now.
You're
that you're
welcome.
finally, thank you, daughter.
But I've always had better hair, so.
When I was in high school, you didn't know me then, but I had glorious hair.
Technically, I did, because you had me when you were 17.
Yes, but you didn't know me. And I'd mousse my hair, and it was beautiful.
I bet it looked amazing.
It did. It did.
I didn't.
I have
Is that when you
You're
pretend to
wrong.
be your Australian twin Luke?
No, he did not have glorious hair. We thank you for being on the Top Dog Show, the YouTube. But we're going to do the podcast in just a second.
Bye.
Harper here. Hi, like, subscribe. Don't forget to click more videos.